time. This is a special presentation by Affiliate Marketing 3.0, and this is in fact a weekly community update call. And we have a special guest who would be doing all these updates with us in a short while. And especially, I would like to extend my warm welcome to any new participants who is joining the Prime Times for the first time, as well as all the leaders, all the guest community members, and each and everyone present on this Prime Time. I welcome each and everybody. I'm Rashid Galod. I'm a rank leader. I'm from India, and I have been closely associated with this community for a very long time. This project is an opportunity for everybody to get a passive as well as an active income, that too in a career-based opportunity. So the Zoom is open for everybody, but the due diligence is expected. And very quickly, let me walk you through the disclaimers for the same reasons. So let me run this disclaimers, and after that, we will welcome our keynote speaker tonight.
General disclaimer. Welcome to this official presentation on Affiliate Marketing Model 3.0. All presenters are providing their services on a volunteer basis and are active participants in all products they are presenting. Their views and opinions do not necessarily reflect those of the organization. While we aim for accuracy, errors may occur. All content is for informational purposes only. The information provided is general and not personalized advice. We are not liable for any losses. We provide information and systems, but we do not endorse any purchases of memberships. Your decisions are yours alone, so we advise conducting thorough research. If uncertain, seek guidance from a qualified professional. Attendees accept these terms by continuing to view this presentation. Let's explore affiliate marketing cautiously and curiously. Legal disclaimer. You are viewing an Affiliate Marketing 3.0 official presentation. All products and services, their component parts and operating methods and systems, either provided by or created by Affiliate Marketing 3.0, belong solely to Affiliate Marketing 3.0. All IPs are protected. Anyone copying, distributing, or reselling any Affiliate Marketing 3.0 product without express permission risks serious legal consequences. Any unauthorized broadcasting, live streaming, or social media sharing of Affiliate Marketing 3.0 presentations is strictly prohibited. Downloading and re-uploading presentations without permission violates copyright law and may also lead to legal consequences.
All right, so thank you for understanding these disclaimers. Your presence now onwards in this presentation would indicate that you are inconsistent with those disclaimers. So now it's time for us to invite our keynote speaker tonight. He is the CEO of Affiliate Marketing 3.0. He is a 29-year-old technopreneur from India who has been setting a benchmark in this crypto and blockchain industry. He, with his experience, with his knowledge, and with his innovative products and projects, is changing the course of this entire affiliate marketing industry. He is none other than Mr. Shavez. Shavez, a warm welcome to you, and the floor is yours. Let us get this weekly update call forward. Over to you, Shavez. Thank you for joining.
Thank you so much, Rashid. Welcome to UK Prime Time. I believe everybody is doing good. It's not a very good day in market. I know, you all know. It has again crashed to not all-time low, but yes, yearly low of last year from September. This was surprising as well as shocking at the same time. But it's the trend of market, and this is how with influences the market functions. And not just crypto market, but also stock markets have faced a huge downfall recently, which makes us understand how mainstream our industry is becoming. So on this note, also I remembered while disclaimers were being played, so it's a very good thing that I wanted to announce. I could not because I was, after listening to the disclaimers, I had this point back in my mind. So first week of March, we are starting to distribute the WAAS DAO tokens, Affiliate Marketing 3.0 DAO tokens to you with every miner that you have running and the miners which you are purchasing. So with every miner, you will receive a voting token through which you can vote in Affiliate Marketing 3.0 DAO. This is also a DAO, the organization which I maintain, I manage, but this runs with the consensus of community, so that we will start the process also of the voting, and on a regular basis you can participate in the decision making of Affiliate Marketing 3.0 as an organization. So this work is entirely done with the update that we are going to see on blockchain after 5th of March. The whole BTC20 smart chain is going to undergo a major update This is yearly maintenance that we are starting. So 5th of March onwards, new nodes will not be activated for 2 months. And in these 2 months, we are going to do all the maintenance work, and also we will be introducing peer-to-peer platform. We will be introducing the voting system for WAAS members, for all the affiliate marketing 3.0 DAO members, to start voting for consensus on BTC20 Smart Chain. So BTC20 Smart Chain is going to undergo huge update, maintenance, and new features and functionalities. So this is something which I thought you guys must know, because today we officially announced also that the nodes will be available till 5th of March only, because there's no point of selling nodes on WAAS if we'll not be able to activate the new ones while the update goes on. So one information about this. Now let's move to updates one by one, starting from DoDo. In DoDo, we have integrated Aerodrome last week, and then users started trading. The whole ecosystem of DoDo became seamless. All the swaps, sell, buy swap, and every operation was going on without gas fee. This is a very big achievement as a tool that we have built, and users in the real time have used and consumed its functionality of running gas free. But in this whole process, what happened day before yesterday and yesterday, market kind of crashed, and the liquidity issue arrived in various dexes. So same thing happened with Aerodrome as well. So some positions which were closed by users yesterday and today, with that, users received a little less profit. And while swapping, they lost some of the money, because at that moment of time, liquidity changed like very instantly and rapidly. But I'm really glad and proud to announce that we were able to recover all these funds for you through the smart contract, because we have verified smart contracts which trigger the swaps on the dexes. And this is a completely decentralized platform where the whole account abstraction stack internally functions. So this is the advantage of account abstraction stack, that users who lost or who received 10, 20, 30, $50 less in their orders is also going to get recovery of their funds. So once again, DoDo proved that it is a tool that is going to keep its users, investors always safe, regardless of the market conditions and volatility. So we have started the recovery work. Recovery is going on. Hopefully by tonight or tomorrow morning, all the users who have closed positions and they have received little less funds, let's say you close for $310, you receive $260. These $50 are going to directly arrive into your own wallet, and the settlement is going on. In this process, we have halted temporarily the buying of indices on base. And while we have halted the buying process, we have started to integrate OKX APIs also, so that even in the volatile market, even in these adverse conditions, DoDo can perform with alternative methods. So it will be able to use OKX also. And there we have better precision and better availability of swaps at very convenient liquidity. So this is a very big add-on, or you can say additional uh, feature that is coming into DoDo with the market conditions we are facing. So product is becoming better and better with time, and it is also giving us the conviction, or you can say more confidence as a user, and we as a tech team, that yes, this product has a value which we can continue to enhance. So on a live working product, we are doing all the enhancements, and I'm really glad and happy to announce that everything is working really, really well. So let's hope to get these recoveries done faster. And as soon as the recoveries are done and OKX integration is done, you guys will start the buying of indices again. And as we know, the market, like I discussed, in the beginning of the call, that market has been witnessing its very lows. If we go on and check, the fear and greed. So it was yearly low on September 7, 2024, which is where we are right now. So it has picked us from there, and then it has brought us back to 2024. And this is, in my eyes, is the opportunity. But in the background, many things are happening. So regardless of what is happening around, I look this as an opportunity. And I want you all to look this condition as an opportunity to enter into the market with Dodo, with every other product like Eatfina that you have received as allocations. Then it's Koi. So every other project where there is the market condition has affected its valuation or token price. I think this is one of the biggest and the best opportunities to enter into the space. And like I always have been saying, I will not let you guys miss this bull run. So we have such products ready, we have such conditions ready where you all can begin and do really, really good in the bull run. And from here, I don't know what other experts are talking about, but what I believe, it can either go more down and take everything to Bitcoin to back to 70, 75, and we can see something like that also. So, and if it is going to pick up, then it will not stop now. This is what we are expecting. This is what I expect and predict. So let's see how it turns. It is really, really interesting to see market and then ride on the products that are going to let us take this opportunity and move forward. So Dodo has been proving us successively twice in the both crashes of the market. Dodo has proved that our investors, users are secure with Dodo. Okay. And next, I would like to move on to the updates on LquidPay. So briefly, before I start sharing my screen, we have now finally tested everything and we are ready to deploy the updates on the app. So this update is since last week I explained what are the elements which are coming in the updates, all the card functionalities, coupons, your cashbacks, self-custodian wallet, Tron deposit, uh, everything that is arriving in the app as a functionality is going to be divided into two parts. And these updates will be in two parts. First update will be pushed by 28th of Feb as the date which is expected when your pilot card expires. So 28th of Feb, you will have the one of the first two updates which are expected. In this update, you will get all the three cards functional, all the three cards that can be activated using your coupons which you have generated on WAAS. Tron deposits you will receive. Also, you will receive the functionality to start accumulating and getting cash back on spending. When people you referred, when your friends and family they spend using the LquidPay card, you will be able to receive 0.1, 0.2, 0.3% cash back as their cash back on spending. So all these functionalities will be in the first update. In the second update, the very next week, after this first update will be self-custodian wallets. And once self-custodian wallets are going to arrive, then all the custody which you have, the funds which you have in the wallet will be moved automatically into your self-custodian wallet, and you will get the functionality to export the private keys to this wallet. It will be your private key which you can take and export the wallet outside and use it as a regular wallet and spend also with that wallet. So this will be second week update, the wallet functionality. First week update on 28th will be all the functionalities that we need for the app to go live officially, the purchase cards to be active. And I don't know if how many of you remember and how many of you purchased. I see so many cards were purchased during pre-sales when we first ran the pre-sale for LquidPay. So all the pre-sale purchase cards, they are supposed to receive a cashback of 10% also of the cost of the card. So at that time, if you would have brought a card of $1,000 platinum card, then you will receive $100 in your wallet to spend also. So this was the offer which I'm going to deliver. So once self-custodian wallets will be active, so in the second week, when your custody of this fund will reach to your custodian wallets, then we will start crediting your 10% cashback if you have subscribed the card during that period. So that is also all prepared and ready to go live with the second update. Now I would like to share my screen and show you guys the look of the app, how it looks with the multiple cards and how do you activate your multiple cards. I'm going to join Zoom from my Android phone because this is the Android app that I'm testing. Okay. 27. Okay, so I'll raise my hand. This is me, Samsung Z.
You are already co-host on that.
Oh, okay. Okay, perfect. Now I'm sharing my screen. Okay, I believe you guys can see my screen. Okay,
Yes, Shavez.
so this is my app. This is the test version, which is not live yet. Okay, so this is how your cards are going to look. Multiple cards inside the app. You can view them all, their own details. You can check, change the limits, the spending limit also inside all the cards differently. You will be able to manage all these cards. You can cancel, you can deactivate, you can lock these cards, because your physical card and virtual card both will be here. And if you lose your physical card, you can go in the app, you can lock your card, you can either cancel it because you have lost it, someone can use it. So all the features to manage the cards are here in the card section. And then if you have the coupon code, you go on add cards and you see this liquid choice, liquid prime, and liquid platinum. All the three cards are here. It is a sandbox application. That's why you see $10, $5, and $1, but it is 100, 500, and 1,000, because we don't spend a lot of money while testing. Okay, so let me try to buy one card and show you. So if I have the coupon code right now, I had the coupon code, but I exhausted all of them. Well, if you have the coupon code with the same email as this email registered on LquidPay, if the ownership is transferred by someone as a coupon, or on the WAAS account, if you have the same email associated and you have bought a subscription, your coupon code will work in this account particularly. If someone steals your coupon, it will not work in their account. As simple as that. So if you put your coupon code here, apply it, it will apply, and here joining fee will be 0. So if I confirm right now with $1, this is how it will start adding my card, and card added. So this is how I activate my card. So it has now come into my cards as a new card 7012. So it's a simple method, and here only in the deposit and withdraw, you will receive the withdraw functionality open, and in the deposit, their wallet management will come, where you will be able to manage the wallet also. At the same time, the Tron deposits are going to be okay, let me stop sharing. So the Tron deposits are going to be with wallets. So you can connect any wallet in which you have TRC20, Trust Wallet, Tron Link Wallet. There will be Wallet Connect option, which will be able to connect any decentralized wallet which has TRC20 in it. So you can connect simply, and your address will be copied already. You have to just deposit TRC20, and it will arrive in your LquidPay wallet. You can spend it, you can withdraw it back, or you can do anything with it. So that functionality is also going live on 28th with all the features. So I hope it is clear that we have badged these two patches on the app, because withdrawal and self-custodian deployment is very, very critical in terms of security. So we had to keep it separate with other functionalities when it is going live, because last week also we had one update. This update was about collecting some more information about users personally for our marketing purpose. We wanted to understand how much money you make monthly or yearly, and what kind of expected spending you can do, so that we can come and start some special offers in your country. We can collaborate with the banks. We can do the off-ramping, on-ramping of crypto in your country. Once we will understand the volume and the expectation of the users and the ticket size of the users, we will be able to provide more and more functionalities through Liquid Finance inside LquidPay app in your region. Just like I am targeting right now India and Vietnam for off-ramping, because I see in the total number of downloads in the app, these countries have the most of the users. Other countries also have. So if I go with chronology, it's India, Vietnam, and then US. And in US, we are not even operational now, but the third largest downloads are from US. So I'm anyway going to start focusing on US off ramping and US on ramping, and how can I provide more additional ease of use to US users after India and Vietnam. So, and with this survey, with this demographical arrangement of incomes that we are trying to collect, with this we'll be able to formulate different strategies for the whole globe. Maybe users from Nigeria would fill a different form with a different yearly income and with a different spending, because US dollar is very high in value there, and users in US will fill different, and volume for them may be different. And maybe users in Australia is expecting their expenditure or their incomes in Australian dollars, which is again different. So our target market, or you can say the next jurisdiction where we are going to bring additional services, will be based on the quality survey that we will collect. So you guys can understand how deeply we are now focusing on enhancing the whole crypto spending ecosystem, as well as eradicating the requirement or the dependency of the banks that you have right now with you, because nobody wants to visit bank, and we don't want you to visit bank anymore. So with this goal, we are enhancing LquidPay experience day by day. We still have 2 days for you to download the pilot card. You can still convince your friends, your family members to try for maybe for 1 day. No problem, they can try the card and then they can buy. They are all your potential users if they have downloaded the app, completed their KYC, and tried to run the card just once. So this is something which is very exciting for me. And I think the expectations that I had from this pilot card campaign has met equally, because the number of users we have acquired from the whole world are really substantial, and substantial enough for us to create roadmap for liquid finance. That was the whole objective, and that was exactly what we were able to establish with this whole pilot card period. And you all as a user, you all as a promoter, got a really good edge, got a really exciting shiny offer to present in the market, and you all as a leader gained a different level of reputation in the market by presenting LquidPay in the pilot card period. So now that we are ready to go live, let's push this equally, just like we did in when the pilot card period started. And this is going to be, this is going to bring you benefits financially this time. This run on LquidPay is going to bring you a lot of incomes from your affiliate side, because now people are not just downloading the app, completing their KYC, and generating a free card. Now people are downloading the app, completing their KYC, and buying a card under you, for which you receive commissions. So LquidPay is all set to fly. So let's make this happen really big, and let's push in all directions where we can. I have seen a lot of leaders have been doing social media promotions really creatively. I love that. Our community in Vietnam is working on a very different level. They are doing crazy stuff, opening LquidPay cafes where new people can go sit, drink coffee, and pay using either BTCC or LquidPay card, and they discuss, then they onboard new users from there. Yes, they are also accepting BTCC for coffee, for snacks. So that is, I think, one of the really creative ways to promote. And then in India, I've seen offices open for LquidPay with our branding. So for offices, for coffee shops, what I'm going to do, I'm going to formalize also the concept, and I'm going to extend legal authorization to the leaders who are willing to officially put a brick mortar setup for selling LquidPay cards, or using it as a satellite office. So the agreement, the legal terms, everything I'm ready to sign with you individually to allow you officially to open and run this brick and mortar setup worldwide, because we are operational worldwide. And this is a card that is offered by Visa. So you can promote it anywhere. So this is already partnership terms, agreements, why are we offering you for no cost? All these things, legal opinion I have taken. So we'll not be charging anything as a royalty partner or as a promoter or a distributor of the company. I'm going to do one-on-one agreement with you, allow you the authority to use a brand name, use a logo, use all the color credentials to promote in your local region. I have established LquidPay because of our community. This is our product. For liquid finance as a processor to grow, as a company, as an organization to grow, we are selling white label solutions outside. We will be processing more than 80% of the payments in next 5 years. This is I'm sure about. But with LquidPay, this is our community's product, and everything that liquid finance is going to do in terms of payments, in terms of technology, you are going to get the direct benefit of it. That's why liquid finance landing page opens LquidPay website. You don't have a LquidPay separate website. So everything is planned in a very institutional way, and our team has really old veterans in the payments, as most of you know, also my partners. So now I have started to dig very deep into payments through blockchain. So let's push this anticipated update on LquidPay, and then I'll see you guys on Friday, where I will give more updates. And immediately after the launch of this new update, there will be a Zoomathon, small Zoomathon for a couple of hours to help you assist, facilitate the activation of the card, how to use your coupon codes for once. So we will sit here in the Zoom along with all the trainers, and we'll guide you through the whole process. Thank you. Back to you, Tash.
Thank you, Shavez. Those were some interesting updates. And the thing you mentioned about brick and mortar offices, I think this should give much acclaimed credibility to our product. I think this has not happened in an affiliate marketing industry for a very long time, and that too for a product that is institutionally into this financial category. So providing all the legitimacy to such a product, I think this should bring much more confidence for people to adapt to this LquidPay crypto credit card that we are offering. Amazing.
I, as CEO of Marida Limited, I'm going to sign contract. So it will be direct contracts with the leaders who are going to run brick and mortar setup.
Amazing. So Shavez, as the updates would be rolled out, you mentioned that we will be pushing the updates from tomorrow onwards, or they have already been pushed on the application side.
Tomorrow onwards, we will be pushing. So now the updates are faster. We have 24 hours window only, so it is convenient for us.
And from the first updates as they are implemented, can we expect USA to be able to access KYC?
Definitely. US is already active in my app, which I was using right now. It is active.
And what about other countries like Nigeria, Egypt, South Africa, which were pending?
Still, they are still under. They're still pending, but very soon, maybe in the next week's update, they can come. As soon as we will have the compliance done on our licenses that we have specially acquired for these countries, then done.
Wow. And Shavez, about the custodial wallets, so they will be in the next update, the second consecutive updates that will be rolling out after a week from the first update, right? And people will be able to attach their wallets, and off ramping also we will start after second week. Is it so for India and Vietnam?
No. So off ramping will be the next update after the self custodian wallet setup.
Okay. But people would be able to transfer assets across wallets, self custodian wallets, from one application to other.
So when the wallets are self custodian, you take the wallet out and you can do anything. You can transfer just like a regular wallet,
like any Web3 wallet.
Yeah, any Web3 wallet.
Superb. And this 10% pre-sale bonus will be in USDT TRC20, or how it would be?
It will be USDT on Polygon. So you will have in your wallet to spend.
So Shavez, what I'm trying to understand is, as we attach our wallets, we have crypto assets in our wallets. So then there will be a special provision to change this crypto to fiat, or instantly the fiat will be available?
Instantly, just like you are doing right now. When you deposit, your balance appears, and this balance you spend, or you can withdraw.
Okay. So if we change the wallet, will this balance also will change? Is it so?
No, you cannot change the wallet.
The self-custodian wallet provided by the application, we cannot change that.
You cannot change that. Yes.
All right, superb. And the referrals and the coupon management system will be from the first updates.
Yes, yes. Everything will be live from the moment you activate your cards. You will start getting the spending cashbacks and everything.
And spending cashbacks from friends and family will be received on the card or on the WAAS.
Card in the wallet.
And the cashback from the self-spending will be received in WAAS back office.
Yes.
Superb. That will be in BTC 20. All right, superb. And with DoDo, Shavez, when can we expect the buy and sell features to be enabled again?
Yes, we are currently recovering all the funds which were struck, and let's see, by late tonight, if the funds are completely recovered, then we will start settling into the user wallets. And post doing that, we are also integrating this OKX APIs inside our backend. So once these both things are done, buying will start. We will announce officially from DoDo.
Superb. And any updates on the Capital 3.0 allocations, Shavez?
Still, market is really cracked. So expecting one announcement about ETH FINA this week. So Friday I will make the announcement on their behalf for our community, and yes, that is going to bring something exciting to you guys, which I saw. And I don't pay attention a lot into the projects you guys have seen, but this one I'm putting my best attention because I also want to put my some of my Ethereums in that, and really excited about that product. So Friday I will announce once their product goes live. I will announce it. I will give you guys the walkthrough. I will teach you how to invest, and that is something really cool, which is coming. So, and rest about the allocations. Let the market become a little cool, and then ICOs will start.
And Shavez, one last query on Capital 3.0, like ETH FINA, this time the second allocation value, number of tokens people received less compared to the first month's tokens.
Because
How can we justify that, and what can be the best explanation for that?
so it's in the tokenomics. So that is not a mining based coin in which the supply is not distributed. In the predefined tokenomics, there is distribution of supply also. So maybe they have 20% worth of supply for pre-seed investors only, or maybe 10% of their total supply for pre-seed investors. So when they are bringing or they are distributing the token to more number of pre-seed investors, so according to the value of tokens, you will receive the same value, but the number of tokens will be reduced because the whole supply is not unlocked. It is the only supply which you as a pre-seed investor have. It is in the market circulating right now, and the more supply will circulate with their upcoming development and milestones when they achieve. And for, let's say, they have 10% for some other milestone in which they will airdrop, or 5% they will airdrop, that supply will only come into the circulation when they release it. So release number of tokens are limited. So the value, of course, with every new pre-seed investor getting into the shaft would increase. So nobody is going to lose anything in terms of value, but maybe number of tokens would be reduced and keep on reducing for the next few more, maybe 1 or 2 more vesting period, because we as community, we are going to do one more, I think 2 more rounds with ETH FINA, because I also bought a lot of ETH FINA while it went down, and I secured a huge sum of for our community, and I'm going to distribute that to our community. So many exciting things I have thought. Let the market go a little cool, and then I will start unfolding all of them one by one.
So Shavez, as we are checking on that ETH FINA claim website, the remaining amount has remained the same, the total ETH FINA claim.
Yes.
So that means we will receive that total amount, but the number of tokens allocated in particular vesting period, they might differ.
They might differ, yes.
But overall, across the 24 months, we are going to be receiving the exact total amount that is mentioned over here, the remaining amount, right?
And more than amount, more than number of tokens, look at the value. The value which when was vested, of course, everybody is going to get 2x, 3x more on that in next 24 months, which I presume. But still, if you calculate the 1x of that value, it would be exact same what you have, what you were allocated with. So these vestings are a bit difficult to understand, I know, but it is the process through which the tokenomics, when the distribution is based on certain values which are frozen, this works. So it's good. These tokenomics are better because these projects, they do not dilute the whole slices which are already set up. So there is a big cake. Maybe it's my birthday. So today this cake is I'm going to receive 2 slices of this cake. So the whole weightage of the cake is always predefined and they don't cheat. So I'm going to receive 2 slices anyway. That is also a better practice in tokenomics to keep.
All right, then. So I think, Shavez, that will be the end of this weekly community updates. And thank you so much for all the updates and being so generous with the progress made so far with the entire projects and everything. So, ladies and gentlemen, we are towards the end of the session, and in the Zoom chat box, we have already shared 2 links to Google Forms. One of them is a weekly Q&A form. So, like we have changed the rosters, tomorrow's call is going to be a panel discussion along with the Q&A. So in that, we will be discussing many topics from the questions that you submit right now in this weekly Q&A form. So please make sure that you submit all your queries, all your questions, concerns into this Google form. Along with that, we have also started taking feedbacks. So we have a IFM 3.0 evaluation form, especially for presentations. So please make sure that you give your honest review. It helps us to improve. It helps us to change for the better of this entire ecosystem. Thank you, Shavez, once again for joining and providing all the updates. Thank you thank you to the co-host and all the hosts, including the panelists and all the leaders, community members. Thank you so much for joining these calls. These calls are very important for us all to remain updated, to be consistent and be a part of this ever evolving technological ecosystem that we are developing together as a community. We will see you next in the US prime time. Please make sure that you join in with your entire team in US prime time, and that will be all from this update call. Thank you everybody, and have